Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today I got one box from a customer. It's EMAX tiny whoop sent for here to bind to test out. Let's open and see. Okay, nice box from EMAX. Wow. So this is EMAX Tiny Hawk 2. Okay, looks cute. The battery charger. This is the battery. This is the manual. Okay, so let's get the remote and bind. Okay, here got the existing Tiny Hawk set. This is Tiny Hawk. It's the remote. Let's try bind to this remote. Let us try power up. Okay, looks good. There's a bind button here. Yes, it's a bit blurred. The bind button is over here. Okay, so can power up and try to bind. Okay, and now we press the bind button and you can see red flashing, red LED. There you are. So now it is in the binding mode. Okay, so let us try to bind. Okay, to bind the Tiny Hawk 2, you can see there's a button here. Where was it? Okay, once you power up, you have to press this button. Okay, very small button. Okay, so we power up with the battery. Okay, you can see there's a green light. Okay, so once it's in bind mode, there will be no green light. Okay, so now we press the bind mode. Okay, now we're in binding mode. Okay, so in binding mode. Okay, so this is the remote E6, next E6. So what we do is to power up. Okay, once power up, you have to press these two button for binding mode. You can see green color here. Okay, so press these two. Then you can see red and green blinking. Okay, so red and green blinking, which means it's in. It's binded already bound already. Okay, so now we off and we disconnect. Okay, so now we go to beta flight just to do the setting. Okay, there you are, beta flight. As you can see, this is the beta flight. Okay, this is the quad. Okay, so we go for receiver just to confirm if it is already bind. So we power up. There you can see it's bind already. So okay, so this is pitch, this is roll, and this is throttle, yaw. Okay, this auxiliary 2 and this auxiliary 1. Okay, from here we can do the setting. Okay, go to mode and you can find out what is the switch 1, switch 2 function. So this is arming, as you can see, arming, and this is the fly mode, horizon, and this is angle, and this is acro. Okay, you can see the quad is dancing, so we need to set the set band here. Let's say we put on 7 and then save. And also we need to do a bit trimming from here. Okay, it's the roll. Okay, see the quad is in stable mode already. Okay, so now we're gonna do preparation for the flight. Okay, now we do a testing first. So you on the remote. Okay, and then we turn on the FPV. So there's power. Okay, now we turn on the quad. So there you are, very clear. Okay, so this switch is the arming, arming. So it's on already lah. Okay, and this is flight mode lah. Angle, horizon, acro. Okay, angle, horizon, acro. So this is the arming. Okay, now we try to fly. Forward, backward, left, right, yaw. Oh. Throttle up. Over. Landing.